Hello and welcome everyone, I'm Ubaid Ahmed, and in this video I'm going to show you the solution for XSS in TBWA with medium security. I have already done a video explaining in detail about cross-site scripting and different types of cross-site scripting attacks. The link for the same is available in the eye icon above and the description below. Let's log into our application. First of all, let's save the security level to medium. Let's move to XSS DOM. Here we have a drop down, and in this drop down we have certain values. Then we have a select button over here. If I select a value in this drop down and click on select button, then whatever value I have selected is reflected over here in this URL parameter. Okay, let's do an inspect element. I have to provide a payload such that this DOM gets modified and my payload is inserted into it. For this, I will have to first close this option tag, and then I will have to close the select tag, and then my payload will be provided. So let's write a payload for it. Close the option tag, close the select tag, and then I'll provide my payload. Okay, still my payload was not executed, the page just refreshed. Let's find out the reason for it. View source. Okay, the reason for it is the script tag from our input is being removed. So we'll have to provide another payload which does not contain a script tag. Okay, so let's copy it and let's remove this. Instead of it, we will provide div on mouse move is equal to alert let's make this div tag a bit bigger by adding this. Now this payload will introduce a div tag, and whenever I will move my cursor over it, my payload will get executed and I can see the XSS pop up. So this is the solution for XSS DOM with medium security. Now let's move to XSS reflected. Here we have an input field, and whatever value I provide is reflected over here along with hello. So let's provide another payload. We know that we cannot provide script tag, so we'll provide another a new payload for this one, which is svg on load is equal to alert Okay, that was a quick solution, and we are able to see our XSS pop up. Time to move to the third type of XSS, which is the XSS stored. So here, let's simply provide our svg tag, which we used in previous case. Okay, our svg tag was not accepted. Let's try this one. Oh, I think there was some character limit over here. Yes, let me increase the number of characters and again provide my payload. somehow this payload is not working. Let's view the source to find out why. Okay, so this particular piece of code is removing all the HTML tags and adding backslashes, and this particular piece of code is converting all the HTML tags to HTML codes. For example, this is being converted into GT, and this will be converted to LT, and so on. So this is for the message field, and then we have for the name field, it is just removing the script tag as we have seen in previous cases as well. So by looking at the code, we can see our easy target is to provide our payload through name field. And one thing to note over here, that if we will provide script tags like with the mixed characters, for example S capital, C small, R capital, and so on, then it will get accepted. You want to see how? Okay, let me show it to you. So if I'll provide my payload to be something like this, then it will be accepted. Okay, however, if I provide this, then it won't be accepted. Let me first provide this one and show it to you. Let me see if we have some character limit over here. Okay, we do have. Let's increase it to 100. Paste it. See, script tag was simply removed. Now I will provide this one. Okay, again I forgot to increase the character limit. A payload was successfully executed and we can see the XSS pop-up. So this was a quick solution for all types of XSS with the medium security in DBWA. If you have any query, then please leave a comment on this video, like this video, share this with your friend, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another video where I will show you the solution for XSS with high security in DBWA plus some other videos as well. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.